Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to enable the system register in Windows 11, so this video is for you. So it's pretty easy. You have to do is simply right click on your this start icon and you can find the settings, or you can simply click on it and you can also find the settings option here. Now when you are on settings, then you can do is you can go to the system, and when you are on system, then you have to go to the storage here. And when you are on storage, then when you are on this storage, you can actually get monitor about each and every files like videos, temporary file, install application, OneDrive. If it's all okay, then you can do is you can again go to the system and scroll all the way down and you can find About. Simply click on About, and here you can find all of the details about your system. Now you can find this advanced system settings. Simply click on it. Now from here you can find this advanced option, and right beside of this you can find the system protection here. So you can do is you can try to set a register point. So in some cases, if accidentally your PC is got flashed or restore it or delete everything, then you can restart your PC from this restore point. So for here, make sure that it is turned on. You have to simply click on that. Here you can see that local disk C is turned on. So if it's turned on then off, then you have to do, for example, this one, you have to do simply click on it and simply click on configure, and from here you have to turn on the system protection. When you turn it on, you can select the maximum uses from here, for example half of this like here, and simply click on apply. And when you have applied it, you can see it is now turned on. So when you have just turned on this system register, now you can create a register point by simply click on create button here. Now you can name it, for example, something, for example, date here, and something like today's date here, restore, like this, and simply click on create. And here you can see that creating a restore point, so it will create a restore point in this point here. So you can see the restore point was created successfully. Now you can do is, if you delete that, then you can get that register point from here. So exactly go to the advanced system settings, then go to the system protection here, then you can find system register, and it will start restoring your system files and settings. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.